A perfect fried rice is less about ingredients but more about control and technique. Today let's make it jhatpat fatafat in Philips OneChef. First let's prep the Basmati rice. Press the power button and then boil mode followed by rice preset and press start. To the cooking pot, add water, salt to taste, oil, soaked Sela Basmati rice and give it a good mix. Cover it with a special glass lid and let it cook for 25 minutes. Once the rice is cooked, leave it aside to rest for 10 minutes. To make fried rice in Philips OneChef, press the stir fry mode followed by Veg Preset and press start. To the cooking pot, add oil, add garlic, ginger and saute for a minute. Add chopped carrot, French beans and saute for 5 more minutes. Add the cooked rice, soy sauce, vinegar, white pepper powder, salt to taste, spring onion and cook for the remaining 4 minutes. Transfer it to the serving bowl and garnish with spring onion and serve hot with Szechuan sauce. Simple ingredients but mood ka full upgrade thanks to Philips OneChef. It's all you need.